Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really interesting, the CombiAQM Air Quality Meter by Stellar Instruments. This powerful device helps you monitor air pollution, carbon dioxide levels, humidity, temperature, and even human body temperature. If you're serious about clean air and environmental monitoring, this is a must-have gadget for your home, office, or workplace. Let's get started. Open the box and see what's inside. The CombiAQM Air Quality Meter comes in a sturdy, professional-grade carrying case, which makes it easy to store and transport safely. Inside the case, we have user manual, includes detailed instructions on operation and maintenance. The CombiAQM Air Quality Meter, featuring a large 8-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. A Type-C interface, for the human body temperature measurement module. A micro USB interface, a spare 5V charging and power supply. A 12V power adapter, ideal for continuous use, especially in offices and labs. Everything is neatly arranged in a protective foam layout, ensuring that the device and accessories stay secure and undamaged. Now, let's take the device out of the case and look at its physical features. This modern air quality meter features a big, bright touchscreen display, making it easy to read real-time data, and it also have built-in speaker, used for alarm alerts and notifications. In top panel we have, power button, USB Type-C port, micro USB port, 12V power input, USB output port. In back panel we have, foldable stand, for placing the device on a table. Wall mounting slots, if you prefer to install it on a wall. Now that we understand the physical features, let's power it on and check out the interface. But before turning on, attach the Type-C interface to the device so we can measure temperature and humidity. If you don't want to measure temperature and humidity, you can skip this part. To turn the device on, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. It will take approximately 40 to 50 seconds to start up. Once powered on, you'll see the main screen, which displays real-time air quality data in a clear format. On the air quality display, we can see readings for PM2.5 and PM10, measures tiny air particles that affect breathing and health. CO2 levels, important for indoor air quality and ventilation. HCHO and VOC, detects chemical pollutants. CO, CH4, and smoke, measures hazardous gases. Temperature and humidity, tracks climate conditions. Air pressure and air quality index, provides an overall air quality score. The color-coded indicators make it simple to read. Green means good. Yellow indicates moderate and red means poor. Now, let's explore the function settings menu. Press the home button on the screen, and you'll see several options. Voice alarm. When you click on this option, you'll see two settings. Voice broadcast. This feature allows the device to announce air quality levels aloud. LED lights up. You can enable this to have the device's LED lights illuminate when the air quality is poor. The colors will change based on the air quality, making it easy to visually see if there's a problem. LED brightness. Here you can adjust the screen's brightness and how it looks. Set LED brightness. This option allows you to customize the brightness of the screen, so it's easy to view under different lighting conditions. Rest screen time. This feature lets you set the amount of time before the screen automatically dims or turns off, helping save battery life when the device is idle. Date and time settings. This option allows you to adjust the date, week, and time. You can change the date to keep accurate records of when air quality readings were taken. The week and time settings help you organize the data by day and hour, making it easier to track changes over time. Recording interval. When you click on this option, you can adjust recording interval. This determines how frequently data is recorded, every minute, hour, etc. You can set it to log data at intervals that work best for your needs. Number of record groups. You can choose how many data groups you want to save, which helps you manage storage and keep a history of readings for future analysis. Export data as a PDF. You can export your logged data as a PDF report, which is helpful if you need to share your findings or analyze the data later on your computer. Wi-Fi settings. This option lets you enable or disable Wi-Fi connectivity. When Wi-Fi is enabled, you can connect the device to your network for remote access and data sharing. Data deletion, you can clear the data from here. Data calibration. This option is for ensuring the accuracy of the readings. Calibration ensures the sensors are working correctly and providing accurate data. Alarm clock, you can set the alarm time and weekdays. Factory reset. This restores the device to its default settings. If you ever need to start fresh or correct any issues with settings, this option will wipe all changes and bring the device back to its original state as it was when first purchased. This menu makes it super easy to customize and control the device. When you enter the historical data menu, you'll see multiple options for different gases and air quality indicators. Let's go through them one by one. If you want to check data for CO2, smoke, CO, CH4, follow these steps. Click on Alarm Value Setting. This will open a detailed graph. Select the specific gas you want to analyze from the list. You will see a trend graph that shows fluctuations in the gas concentration over time. This feature is helpful if you want to monitor gas buildup in enclosed spaces or check for potential air pollution sources. If you need to review PM 2.5, PM 10, HCHO, TVOC, go to Alarm Value Setting. Click on the pollutant you want to track. A graph will display the concentration of airborne particles and chemicals over time. This is useful for assessing indoor and outdoor air quality, especially in factories, hospitals, or urban areas with high pollution levels. Humidity, temperature, air pressure, AQI, for climate-related readings, select the parameter you want to monitor. This helps track weather conditions indoors and outdoors and ensures comfortable living or working environments. The CombiAQM Air Quality Meter allows you to export air quality reports as PDF files, making it easy to save and share data with others. Here's how you can do it. To export data as a PDF, follow these steps. Press the Home button to return to the main menu. Select Recording Interval. This menu allows you to adjust how often readings are saved. Connect the device to a USB computer. Using a USB cable, plug the device into your computer. Click Generate PDF Documents. This will create a detailed air quality report that you can save, print, or share. The CombiAQM Air Quality Meter is perfect for homeowners, businesses and workplaces, environmental experts, hospitals and schools. If you want to track air quality and maintain a healthy environment, this is a must-have device. Subscribe for more tech reviews. Visit our website, www.measure-mart.com. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.